Welcome to our channel. Today we how to authenticate with Google Drive for course delivery, detailed guide step by step clearly. To authenticate with Google Drive for course delivery, start by navigating to the Google Cloud Console. Create a new project by clicking on the Select a Project drop-down. In the pop-up window, click on New Project. Enter a name for your project and click Create. Once your project is created, ensure it is selected. In the left-hand menu, click on APIs and Services. Choose Library from the drop-down options. Search for Google Drive API in the search bar. Click on the Google Drive API result to open it. Press the Enable button to activate the API for your project. Next, navigate to the Credentials section in the left-hand menu. Click on Create Credentials and select OAuth Client ID. If prompted, configure the consent screen by following the instructions provided. Choose the appropriate application type, usually web application. Provide a name for your OAuth Client ID. Under Authorized Redirect URIs, add the URI you will use for authentication. Click on the Create button to generate your credentials. You will receive a client ID and client secret. Make sure to copy these down. Now, download the credentials in JSON format by clicking the download icon next to your newly created ID. Store the JSON file securely as it contains sensitive information. To integrate Google Drive into your course delivery system, use a library like Google API's Client Library for your programming language. Follow the library documentation to implement authentication using your client ID and client secret. Prompt users for access permissions to their Google Drive when they log into your application. Once authenticated, you can now programmatically access Google Drive resources. Test the authentication flow to ensure it works smoothly before going live. Make any adjustments if necessary based on user feedback. Prepare to implement file sharing features to facilitate course material delivery. Monitor API usage and manage quotas within the Google Cloud Console as needed. This completes your detailed guide on authenticating with Google Drive for course delivery. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our